welcome back to my channel. It is Isabel, aka Latina X Baby, and I'm here with another YouTube video today. For the past couple of days, I've been playing around with my ColourPop palette. I'll bring it up. And so specifically, I've been playing with this Truly Madly Deep Blue palette and the Lovebird palette. So I thought today, I wanted to do more of a Christmas vibe today. So what we're gonna do is we're going to create a Christmas kind of vibe with this palette, because I know a lot of girls out there, like, they love Christmas and getting into the Christmas spirit, but if I'm being honest, I think half the girls out there wear like a nude or brown fall colors type of look for Christmas or Thanksgiving or whatever. And I know Christmas, like when Christmas comes around, not all the girls out there know how to make a green look or like incorporate red and green. Like, you have to be careful when you incorporate those colors together. Like, it can go wrong or go super right. So we're going to incorporate this palette today. We're also going to incorporate a little bit of this dirty ass one, this cute as fuck palette as well. And then hopefully, because these are kind of like, this one's kind of like a Christmas vibe, we can incorporate the Lit palette from the Bretman X ColourPop collection. If I don't do a specific look that you are going for or want to do for Christmas, don't worry, we got more time. I also have this palette, but I don't know if I'm gonna go in today with it. Okay, so I'm just gonna do one eye for now, and then we will cut it and we'll repeat the same thing on the other eye. That is what I usually do when I am doing my makeup looks and everything. To clean up my eyebrow, I went in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Just looks like that. I'm gonna go in again because it wasn't like enough. I absolutely love this brown. We're gonna start off with the Cutest Fuck ColourPop palette, and we're gonna go in with a mixture of these two browns. So we're gonna go in with Chauffeur and Mischief, but really softly, really lightly. We don't want it super dark. I'm gonna just dip into those two colors and then tap off the excess because we don't want it super dark. And now I'm gonna go in with the Truly Madly Deeply palette and go in with the Made to Last shade. This one we're gonna put all over. I'm gonna dip into Golden Gate Bridge, so this one right there. And that is literally it. That's all you have to do. I love that blending brush. That blending brush is fire. But what I'm going to do now is just take a small little tiny brush that looks like that, and I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to take a little bit and we're going to cut the crease. And I want to set it with Matter of Fact up here. Really simple. Just if you can't find your crease or where your lid, like where your lid crease is, just look up and it'll create the line for you. So I'll go in a little closer. Going in with that Matter of Fact color and setting this color. So everything is set now. It is a really soft glam, as you can tell. I'm gonna go back in with that palette, and I'm gonna go in with Hungry Ghost, which is like this really light one right here. Because we're using a cut crease right now, I don't want to mess up the crease with my finger. So I'm going to take this e.l.f. brush. This is the e.l.f. Professional Eyeshadow Brush. I'm going to dip into it. Hopefully it doesn't ruin it. See, it only gets a little bit. And then I'm going to put it on the crease. Hey! Shh! Shh! I think my cat just licked my palette. They don't have to be super perfect, just so you can see it. To complete this look even more, I'm not sure where I got this glitter from. The packaging is in, I'm not sure, I think it's Chinese. It is this silver glitter. I'm gonna line my crease and then that will be it for the look. So make sure it's dry before you close your eye. Really simple and not complicated, just a few colors and that's it, and it looks like a lot. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye and I will be right back. I'm going to now add a liner and I'm going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner in black. I'm going to do a really small line, nothing big. I want it super simple. Literally the tiniest liner. And then you're gonna do the same thing to this side. I'm gonna apply some mascara and then we will be back to put on some falsies. We're gonna go in with the Sweetheart Lashes and Kate. Pop on this lash. To make the application as easy as possible, just put your head at an angle, whatever, and then look down with your mirror pointing down, or up, whatever, but look down, and then just pop them on slowly. Because I tend to get glue everywhere. This way, I barely get any glue anywhere. So yeah, and then literally as simple as that. I'm going a little closer so you guys can see. They're super long. I love them. We can get into the foundation. If I'm being honest, I've tried the ColourPop foundation and I'm not loving it. To review a product, honestly, you have to at least be able to try it a couple times, you know? And like, there's first impressions, which I get. First impressions, I love first impression videos. But then there's like trying something and it's like honestly seeing if it works or not. I've tried this 3 times already. I'm still gonna try it more. But I've tried this 3 times already and girl, this does not work for my skin at all. Like, I don't understand. It's supposed to be blurring, yet I feel like it like enhances my pores and everything. So we're not going to use those today. We're actually going to use Dermablend Blurring Mousse Camel Foundation. Now it is medium coverage, but I know for a fact this foundation covers me more than those ColourPop foundation sticks. So I have 2 shades. I have one in Sahara and in Sand. And I'm gonna just use one of them. But I actually haven't primed yet, so I don't want to put this on my face yet because I want to make sure to prime. I'm gonna go in with the Poreless Putty Primer. A little bit, well, probably the rest of because there's only a little bit. Maybelline New Master Primer Base Studio, so it just looks like that. I look hydrated, that's for sure. I'm gonna go in with a 3rd primer. Normally I do not prime this much, I promise you. Last video I did because I thought it was like, I don't know, I thought it was me and my primer, but I don't know, girl, I don't know. We're gonna try this one again. I'm gonna try to put this one in my hair. Color. We are hydrated. I'm wonder if I'm supposed to just like pat it in my skin, you know? I'll try that. what I'm going to do now is go in with the ColourPop concealer, and this one is in the shade Light 18. I'm just go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not going to go super close. Let's go. Oh my god! She spilled all my setting powder. Oh! Ouch! Ouch! So now I'm gonna bronze with, I always bronze with this palette, the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics brush and use it to contour my nose. So while that's baking, I'm gonna go in with another, I always go in with these palettes, I know, nothing new. I'm gonna go in with this blush palette. So I'm gonna go in probably with these two colors here. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna dip into Sweet Dreams in this palette. So it's just this one right here. Put it in the brush. Apply that as my inner corner and eyebrow highlight. Eyebrow as well. I'm gonna go in with a brown lip pencil. I explained in my last video, this is a lip liner. If you want to know the reason why I use this, then go to my last video. I'll have it up there. But yes, I'm gonna go in with an LA Girl Cosmetics. Where am I? It goes on so smooth, so smooth. Now I'm gonna go in with this NYX Liquid Suede. It just looks like this. It is like a pinkish nude. I forget, it's called Soft Spoken. It's in Soft Spoken. It's a little bit pinkish, but it's okay. So I do want this a little bit more brown and a little bit more matte. I'm gonna go in with this little angled brush and just go in with a light shade. I don't know what shade I want to go in with. I think I'm gonna go in with this like peachy one and tap it on our lips. And that is literally it for the lips. I'm gonna go in with a mascara, and this is the one. This is a Telescope mascara, and I'm gonna apply it to my bottom lash. That is it. Super, super simple, super cute. I'm gonna go in a little bit closer. This is for y'all makeup lovers that aren't so much into Christmas. Not even makeup lovers, for anybody out there. Like, I know a lot of people do like Christmas, and mostly everybody likes Christmas, but for people who enjoy Christmas but don't enjoy putting Christmas on their face, if you feel me, then this look is perfect for you in the holidays. I love this little subtle glam glitter from the ColourPop palette. It just makes it perfect. It's perfect for the holidays. Just to remind you, I did use this color in this palette for that top part. I know this is gonna be good even for the holidays. Yes, it's a lot of pinky colors, but it still works. So yeah, so for you people that love Christmas but don't like putting Christmas on your face, I think this look is perfect for you, because personally I love Christmas, but on Christmas Day, I want something that's gonna like look good in photos. And not that Christmas makeup doesn't look good on photos, but I prefer to wear like a nude, whatever, a nude thing. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this on the holidays myself. It's super cute. I had this like whole outfit planned for Christmas, and it's not green. It's gonna be like nudes and like black. It's gonna be super cute. So check out my Instagram. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more makeup videos or just like makeup tips or me creating more looks with newer palettes out here, because maybe you have a palette, like you have a palette that you don't have any idea what look to do, just comment down below what palette you want me to do and I will do like a bunch of looks for you guys to get inspired and stuff. So yes, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video.